Additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing, refers to the process used in the manufacture of products by depositing or fusing materials layer by layer. This advanced manufacturing technology holds huge potential to disrupt the way in which a product can be designed, developed, or manufactured. Moreover, it can lead to a great number of technical and economic advantages and provide jobs in sectors such as the tool making and habitat. However, this revolutionary technology is still at an early stage in these industries. Samantha is the acronym of Skills in Additive Manufacturing for the tool-making and habitat sectors, a project which has the main objective to develop an innovative training program on 3D printing. The concept of T-shaped skills will be placed in the middle because the competencies requested by the labor market are not always merely technical. But what does the concept of T-shaped skills mean? T-shaped skills describe specific attributes of desirable workers. The vertical bar of the T, or hard skills, represents the depth of related skills and expertise in a single field, whereas the horizontal bar, or soft skills, refers to the ability to collaborate across disciplines and the willingness to use the knowledge gained from this collaboration. Samantha will not only be focused on those technical skills, but it will also address the high lack of transversal skills under the current educational curricula to promote creative, innovative, communicative, and entrepreneurial professionals. During this project, 5 intellectual outputs will be expected: a report of the current situation of additive manufacturing in the tool-making industry and habitat sector, the needed high-tech T-shaped skills and related bed training offer, the creation of the Samantha T-shaped curriculum and training content. The Samantha Open Learning Platform will be released in 2021. A senior transfer of knowledge within senior workers to juniors, and policy recommendations based on the obtained results. Samantha is co-founded by the Erasmus Plus program of the European Commission and has a multidisciplinary partnership of 7 partners from Germany, Italy, Slovenia, and Spain, who will work together for 36 months. If you want to be a T-shaped professional mastering 3D printing in the tool-making and habitat sectors, stay tuned and follow the conversation on #SamanthaEU or visit the website samantha-project.eu.